drill. It'll be high pointer to asym sit. Coming back up to high pointer to asym sit. This is what this will look like on the ground. Finding a high pointer, bringing the leg through to an asym sit. Bring the leg back through to high pointer. If you'd like, for a challenge, switch sides, bring the leg through, come back up. Let's take this to the line where it's a little more unstable and a lot more fun. If you need some helpful tips on how to do this high pointer or asym sit, be sure to check out our SLACKROBATS tutorials. Awesome. Now, on the line. I'm going to step up into our high pointer. Trying to find full extension with the back leg and the front arm. Going to shift weight a little bit into the arm. As I bring the leg through. Try to find full extension with the leg and the arm again, pointing forward. From there, I'm going to put weight into my hand, straighten this bent leg. Finding high pointer once more. Stepping up. Finding high pointer on the other side. Bring the leg through for an asym. Putting weight into the hand as I straighten the leg. Bring the leg through the high pointer. Switching to high pointer on the other side. Extend. Asym. Come up. Do the other side. Try to be sure you keep your body even. Do the same amount of high pointers and asyms on both sides of your body. All right, SLACKROBATS, send us your progress. We want to see it. Send it to SLACKROBATS Facebook or Instagram. Until next time, keep training.